How's it, Hammer? You ready for a ride?
Let's get it.
Let's get it, boys. Alright boys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna be riding the Grom bike. Oh bam. Kekamaa just picked one of these guys up. This is my first time riding it. It's a 4-speed manual transmission. I've been on a bike one time before, but we're just gonna jam up on the road, guaranteed. So for those of you who are new to bikes, we got the clutch over here, throttle, brake, back brake on this side, and we got the clutch pedal right there. I know how to drive stick, so hopefully it's the same. Nah, it should be the same. I know the fundamentals, but I've only been on a motorcycle one time in a parking lot. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and clip you guys on my chest and we'll get some action footage. Shoots. Ready, boys? Let's get it, dude.
Epic fail.
Died out, baby. I died out. That's funny. It was like a downhill too. Yeah? Alright, we back at Dom's place. I died out 2 times. There's a pretty steep ramp over here. Super fun.
Glad you liked it.
I know. I've been wanting to get the chopper bikes. Yeah, the Yamaha bikes.
The Honda Rebel.
With the little pouches on the back. Yeah, that would be super cool.
And more like the Hardy style.
Yeah, the Hardy style. Alright guys, quick side quest action. We got a huge cloud coming in over here, as you guys can see. I did get hit by a little bit of rain, so we have to cut it a little bit short today. That was super fun. I definitely want to go ride some more of that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a short little jam session. Just wanted to share with you guys. I do have my birthday coming up this weekend, so I will be hanging out with the boys. I haven't even planned anything. This is the first time in a long time since I'm spending my birthday in Hawaii with the guys that I grew up with and also my family. So this is gonna be super interesting. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a great day, great night wherever you're from, and I'll see you all next stream. Peace.